This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable autofill on the Google Chrome web browser. I'll be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. Okay, I have the Google Chrome web browser open now. To enable or disable autofill, autofill is where you're filling out a form or something and autofill will automatically fill it out for you. To get to it, what you want to do is go up to the three-dot hamburger menu in the upper right-hand corner. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to Settings, and you want to click on Settings. Now in the pane, off to the left-hand side, you want to click on Autofill. And now down here, Addresses and More, you want to click on that. And in this area, I have mine blurred out of course, but in this area here, it'll list the names and addresses that you would normally use in autofill. But to enable this or disable this, you just toggle it on or off right here. If you toggle it off, it will not automatically fill out forms for you. If you toggle it on, it will fill them out for you. That is how you enable or disable autofill in the Google Chrome web browser. Thanks for watching.